Hi, I'm Anne Ogden-Gaffney and welcome to the Cook for Your Life YouTube channel. So, now it's summertime, I think it would be a great moment for us to talk about, in our basic skills, how to deal with certain summer vegetables. So, we're going to be talking today about peppers, how to deseed tomatoes. It can be kind of pesky and a lot of recipes say deseed and it's a nightmare, but not the way I do it. And zucchini, or courgettes as they're known in Europe. You know, because at the end of the summer there are so many of them that it's really great to get an idea about how to cut them, how to use them. Corn, I'm going to show you a really cool way to just get the kernels off the corn without them going all over your kitchen, which is what happened to me the first time I did it. I was finding them weeks afterwards. And we're going to be talking also about eggplant, different ways of cutting it, how to salt it, this kind of thing, so that you'll get a complete overview of how to handle all of those great vegetables you're going to see in the farmer's market. Look and learn.